Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send cryptocurrency from an Ambire wallet and laptop. Ambire wallet is a secure and easy to use crypto wallet that allows you to send, receive and manage your cryptocurrencies. If you want to transfer crypto from your Ambire wallet on your laptop, it is important to do it safely and accurately. In this guide I'll show you exactly how to send cryptocurrency step by step. So first what you have to do is open any of the web browser and you can go to the extension. Just beside this there's an address bar. Over here we can find this extension. Go to this Ambire wallet and over here enter your password to unlock and select to this unlock here. And once you reach into this interface over here, what you can do is we can find this select send cryptocurrency. Select to this send here. You can type down your recipient address and select the token, and you can simply start to proceed here and carefully paste or type the recipient wallet address, double check it and enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to send. And that is it. You can check the transaction status in your wallet dashboard or the blockchain explorer for the respective token. Ensure the funds reach the intended address and make sure to double check network selection from the token. Example ETS should go on Ethereum network. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.